What is up? Oh my gosh, dude, what a animal. What is up, guys? Welcome. Friday, May 1st, 2020. Holy cow, I was thinking yesterday, I cannot believe how fast this year has gone by. We're already 5 months into 2020. Man, I don't know about you, but I feel like time is just flying by. Flying by. What do you think? Hope you're having a great day today. Crypto and coffee, your morning jolt of financial news and markets. We talk about cryptocurrency. We talk about the stock market. We talk about commodities, oil, gold, silver, real estate, money, politics, not politics. I make fun of politicians like this. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but the old vice president, Biden, I think. Yeah, that guy's a creep. What do you guys think? I hope if you're watching live, go ahead and type in live. If you're watching this on the replay, go ahead and type in replay. Who do we got? All right. Well, let's hop into this. Hop in and see what the old world of money is doing today. If you're new to Bitcoin, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you want to learn more, you want to get started, but you just don't know how, go ahead and check out my website, galactictrustcom. Since 2017, I've been helping people invest in cryptocurrencies and how to kind of navigate this new technology. Very exciting stuff. A lot of good information on there, a lot of videos, a lot of webinars, things like that. You can also get a copy of my free book, Crypto Investor Secrets, How to Capitalize on the Greatest Investment Opportunity in History. I do believe that in the next 2 to 5 years, every $1,000 that you invest into this market has the potential to turn into $1 million or more. And you can go get my free book. When you get that book, you can also I'm also made a 4-part video series. This video series just lays things out, educates you on what is blockchain, how does it work, very elementary level. But then these last 2 videos really gonna show you how you could turn $1,000 into $1 million or more in the next 2 to 5 years. It's not like a get-rich quick scheme or anything like that. This is a long-term, very stressful, can be very stressful play. And if you already have crypto, join our free Telegram right here. Let me link this up because a lot of how-to videos back here, archived YouTube videos, just a wealth, a library of information to help you with your crypto journey. Nice. Thanks, Fletch. Oh, dude, that's what's up, dude. Your Facebook Bible, dude. That's what's up. Thanks, dog. Yeah, so join the Discord group. Let's get that thing popping. Because in there, I'm going to show you, I show you things like dice. So this is how to get a passive return on your cryptocurrencies, how to get more Bitcoin without doing anything. Kind of like how your bank account is supposed to work. You're supposed to put money in there and then they're going to give you a piece of the pie, because they're investing and they're lending out on the back end, but really they give you maybe 1% and they're keeping 99x that they're making on the back end. Okay, all these platforms are they're really based on the fundamentals of all for one and one for all. Okay, and I'm not talking like socialism. I'm not talking about communism or anything like that. That's not what this show's about, okay? It's about crypto. But anyways, join the Telegram because we teach you about that stuff. And then, again, if you want to learn how to make a passive return on your Bitcoin, if you've got Bitcoin sitting in a Coinbase account, an Exodus wallet, or something like that, and it's not earning you any more Bitcoin, there are a lot of programs out there that you can get a really nice return on investment just by depositing your coins. And one of those is MTI. So every day, this is my trading account. I've had it for the last going on 4 weeks. averaging about, in fact, it says right here, averaging 0.46% a day. So 0.5% a day, Monday through Friday, I should say, 5-day trading week. So imagine if you had $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, which is about 10 Bitcoin at today's price. I'm rounding up. Okay. If you had $100,000 in Bitcoin sitting in MTI, you'd be making, about $460 every day, Monday through Friday. Okay. It's very hard to find an investment vehicle that's going to be paying out that sort of return. And these things are really, they're awesome. So check it out and join the Discord group. Moving on to the crypto market. Who do we got? Let's check here though. Fletch, we got Home Dog Fletch, man. What's up, buddy? Get that coffee, energy drink. I don't know. But we'd be giving away $4 so far. $4 on the live stream. Go ahead and like and share this live stream so we can get more people on it. Because soon, once we grow these rookie numbers up, once we can get like, let's say 100 or 1,000 viewers every morning, I'm going to be giving that out in cash. Cash, crypto. Crypto's as good as cash. You can go spend that on a crypto debit card. Wish I had my, oh, what up, D-Dog? What up, dog? Yeah, so let's get these rookie numbers up. The only way to do that is you got to like and share the show. Okay, Bitcoin up a paltry 0.2%, sitting at 8,700. Ethereum up 1.1%, sitting at $209. And rounding out the top three, XRP down 0.6%, down to 21.5 cents. Total market sitting at $247 billion, down 0.5%. Bitcoin dominance fallen just 0.2% from yesterday, sitting at 64.8% dominance on the market. We've got 11 days left for the block reward. Let's learn some more about the Bitcoin halving. How about that, guys? Okay, predictable monetary supply. So since we know Bitcoin's issuance over time, people can rely on programmed control supply. This is helpful to understand what the current inflation rate of Bitcoin is, what the future inflation rate will be at a specific point in time, how many Bitcoins are in circulation, and how many remain left to be mined. So because of, again, the halving, that guarantees us that at a certain point of time, no more Bitcoins will be given out as a reward. All the Bitcoins, essentially, once you have to a certain point, it will be so minuscule. But at that point, the supply and demand of the coins themselves have created enough sustained and renewable 0-point type energy running the entire market. So imagine this: if Bitcoin's $1 million per Bitcoin, okay, then that puts enough money in the market, and that people are just at that point, people are I was just telling Dustin this yesterday. If you own 1 Bitcoin now, okay, 5 years from now, you are going to be in the fraction of the 1%, because very few people will ever in their entire life own an entire Bitcoin. In fact, I would say within 5 to 10 years, 5 years to 10, if you were to say, I've got 1 whole Bitcoin, people are like, oh, dang, man, he's fancy. He's fancy. He's got a whole Bitcoin. So, that's, again, because what's going to happen is within 5 years, I would say for sure, I would say even maybe the next 12 months, we could go into a hyperinflation. Hyperinflation means the dollar is going to crash. So the price of a Bitcoin could go up to $1 million in a weekend. Because, there's stories of it. Stories of hyperinflation, look into it. Zimbabwe, so on and so forth. So it's predictable within Bitcoin and within all cryptocurrencies, because all of these coins have a limited supply. They have a limited number of coins within their ecosystem. Whereas with the dollar, it's it's there, it's infinite. The one of the, I think, presidents of maybe the New York Federal Reserve was saying, we have an infinite supply of money. We'll do whatever it takes. The money's in the bank, guys. Shoddy, what you think? Moving on to the charts, guys. Bitcoin's at $8,600. I mean, I think we might come down. I'm really hoping. I'm waiting for a black swan event, guys. I do not trust the markets. I don't trust the world right now. I don't trust the world right now. I don't trust the dollar system. I don't trust the stock market. I don't trust anything right now. We're in very, very uncharted waters. And I do not think that this storm is over by any stretch of the imagination. Even with the excitement of the Bitcoin halving, the excitement of, you know, the stock market's doing okay, oil's recovering, okay, all of these things, I've done my research. I've read his book. I've watched the video series. I've done my research and done my due diligence, and I can sense the writing on the wall. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting regardless of what happens. And that's it. That's my plan. You got to do your plan. If you want to talk about a plan, I'm more than willing to talk about one. All right. How many dollars? Still $4? Still $4. 2 now. You got to be kidding me. Just joking. Okay. Bitcoin news. Ethereum 2.0 staking upgrade can trigger Ethereum price rally. So again, the future of money, the future of finance, the future of banking is decentralized, where, you know, 80% of the profits are paid to the depositors rather than 1% and then 99.999 paid to the CEO. US Bitcoin holders worry about Chinese control of the mining network. Central bank digital currencies. Bitcoin price hits resistance at 9,050. Nothing blowing my mind, you know. Ethereum still holding above $200. Again, Ethereum staking again, get the return on your Bitcoin. If you got Ethereum and you stake it, you're just getting paid interest. You're getting more Ethereum. Nothing. XRP coming down 21.5 cents, 21.5 cents. I'd just love to get some of this at 10 cents, you know, 10 cents. Oh man, Ripple sales fall to 1.75 million as on-demand liquidity network volume triples. Let's read about this. Oh, wait. There was another one too. The XRP markets report for Q1 2020 shows the on-demand liquidity network is more popular than ever, while Ripple's XRP sales have hit a new low. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, or ODL, payments network tripled in transaction volume over the last quarter, according to the just released Q1 2020 XRP markets report. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. This is $1 million secret. XRP is my number one pick. Number one. Right now, the name of the game is mass adoption. Mass adoption. You got to have people using this technology. You got to have people able to pay for their coffee with crypto. You've got to have them able to, and you got to have this scale. We're talking thousands, you know, tens of thousands, millions of transactions per second. And no one is even close to that mass adoption phase as XRP, I believe. The dollar value transacted using ODL increased by more than 294%, which is good news for token holders, with the report describing XRP liquidity as the lifeblood of Ripple's ODL for cross-border payments. In further good news, Ripple has again reduced its total XRP sales from 13.08 million in Q4 2019 to 1.75 million in Q1 2020. The company has been criticized for propping up its balance sheet with XRP sales. The report also notes the token was integrated into a number of additional exchanges and liquidity instruments. ODL increased by money transfer services. So here's another thing, XRP, big. We are talking trillions of dollars every year are sent cross-border in remittance payments. So let's say you've got someone from Mexico or from India or from Singapore or really anywhere in the world, and they're working in another country. And they make that country the money, and then they want to send it back to their family. So they're going to Western Union, they're going to MoneyGram. Well, the average percent to send that money is 9%. So Western Union, MoneyGram, these money remittance companies charge an average of 9%. So in big terms, if someone works 12 months a year, an entire month of their pay goes to pay remittance payments. If they're sending all their money back to their family, well, they could send that same money using XRP and really any crypto for a fraction, for nothing. Well, even Ripple owns 10% of the second largest money transfer company in the world, MoneyGram, which was acquired last summer. So again, mass adoption. So this is good news. This is awesome news. And there was a time I had 1 million XRP. 1 million XRP. At 0.6 of a penny. 0.6 of a penny. Geez, just talking about the good old days, right? The good old days back when setting up crypto was hard, but the money was easy. Here's some more XRP news. World's first crypto bank adds support for Ripple's XRP. The Signum Bank will allow its users to invest in Ripple's XRP token via their e-banking portal. Signum's Bank, the first crypto bank licensed by FINMA, announced on April 30th that Ripple's XRP tokens are now available through its banking services platform. Users can access, deposit, exchange, and credit services using the popular digital currency. Based in Switzerland, the bank will now allow the third most capitalized digital token behind Bitcoin and Ethereum to be used by clients seeking to diversify their directed investments in digital tokens in conjunction with other asset management products offered. Signum's customers can use deposits in traditional currencies such as the Swiss franc, the euro, the Singapore dollar, and the US dollar to buy, hold, and trade. I mean, I'm telling you, that's why I make this show every day, you know, like and subscribe, smash that like button, as they say on the old internet, okay? This is the future of money, and if you can get in now, I mean, look at this, XRP, 21 cents, 21 cents, okay? Its all-time high was $3.40, okay? $3.40 divided by 21.5 is a 16 multiple. So $1,000 invested into XRP would turn into $16,000 if it returns to its all-time high. There's the disclaimer, because I don't want to get demonetized. I don't want the federales freaking knocking on my door, you know, oh my gosh, Gary's telling everybody it's a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a pyramid. It's one of them pyramid thingies. He's getting everybody in it, and he's taking our monies. Give me a break. Okay, moving on to the old stock market. Rolling over. Let's see if we break down below this line come next week. I doubt we're going to have a sell-off. to that level anytime soon. But rolling over, but we could bounce off and make higher highs. I don't know. Who knows? It's weird out there in the stock market world. Trump's pushing it to keep meat packing plants open. Trump pushed to keep this has been weird. Has anybody seen anything about this? A lot of Chinese companies are buying up America right now. Buying them up. It's weird. It's very weird, guys. We're in a weird, uncertain, precarious moment in history where one superpower, I mean, there's a world war going on right now between China and America, for sure. And so the war is being fought over money. It's being fought over propaganda and biological warfare. I mean, it's happening. This is it. This is the beginning of it. It's heating up. It's heating up because right here. So President Donald Trump's executive order this week requiring American meatpacking plants to stay open during the coronavirus pandemic is raising new questions about the United States exports of pork to China. The order has highlighted a debate within the White House over whether to limit exports of pork to China, and what the president decides could have major implications for other U.S. exports. Trump told meat company CEOs this week that he is not interested in restricting exports at this time, according to current and former White House officials who requested anonymity to describe a private call. Weird. Tesla shares tank after Elon Musk tweaks prices too high. Hey, everybody, the price of my stock is too high. Go get rid of it. Go get rid of it. Wall Street sell-off gains steam with Dow dropping 600 points to session low. House Judiciary Committee asked Jeff Bezos to testify about whether Amazon misled Congress. Manufacturing falls sharply in April, but not as much as expected. Remdesivir coronavirus treatment will need a sustainable model to keep it accessible. Stock market live updates. Low of the session. Dow down 500. Musk says, get out of Tesla. Get out now. He's tweeting about it. He's going to do a Facebook Live, State of the Union address. Oh, Cuomo, he's just kicking butt and taking names in New York. New York City to open city streets to pedestrians as city warms. Hey guys, it's getting warm outside. Maybe we'll let you take an hour break a day to get some sunlight. What do you think about that, guys? We don't want the boogeyman coming to get you. Oh, watch live. The World Health Organization holds a press conference. Moving on to oil. Man, making a good recovery. I mean, it's not, though. It's making, let's see if it's making lower highs, in the grand scheme of things. I mean, it looks like it's going down to me. We'll see. Gold also. Gold, I was just saying this to Dustin, is because we've also making like a, I don't know that. I think this could fall some more. We'll see. And same, and with silver for sure. I mean, just so look, save your money, guys. Cash is king right now. Cash is king. And speaking of the king of gold and silver, I'm telling you what, I've read this book a number of times, probably 5 times in the last 10 years. And I'll tell you what, I'm so glad I did, because I see everything that Mike talks about. I'm watching play out. I'm seeing it. It makes sense. I'm watching it. I can see between the lines. It's a free book. Go get it. It's on his website. Goldsilver.com. Go get it. He also has, in fact, man, I'm so prepared today. In fact, I just saw the future earlier today. Here's his, go check out his YouTube too and watch, man, his videos, one, they are very entertaining. They're very entertaining. It's almost like he's an Indiana Jones type adventurer. Like you can even see in his branding, he is an adventurous type guy, and he goes back to Athens, Greece to show this is history. Like this is real. Their money system was just like America's today. And Athens crashed the same way that America is about to crash or is crashing. It's crashing, guys. And I don't mean to be so dramatic, but it is what it is. It is what it is. He has some good stuff though. Americans hoarding cash. That's what I was saying is that I think that even crypto, I think that people are holding on to cash right now, kind of waiting to see what the next move is. And that's smart because what's really going to happen is the price of all of these and the next panic, the next deflationary panic, okay, all of these prices are going to go down. They're going to drop dramatically. I mean, can you imagine if the stock market dropped 50% in the next 90 days? 50%. That would put us at what? 11,500 per share. That's wild. 50% for XRP's 10 cents. That's my target, right? Oh, that'd be awesome. Ethereum 50%. Heck yeah, $105. I'll take that all day. Bitcoin, I would love an even bigger 75%. You know, if it hit $2,000, oh, I would love it. Love it. So we're seeing everything that's played out, and this is part of it. This is part of what he talks about in the book is Americans are going to start hoarding cash. There are people right now behind the scenes. And man, try to imagine this. There are people right now behind the scenes that are cashing out their 401ks. They're calling up their... All right, lady Christine. Gosh, side busting my show. But again, this is CNN. If you believe this crap, sorry. I mean, I don't even like even CNBC. I'm sorry. They're all, even this Cointelegraph. I'm sure I don't trust anybody. I'm just taking it all in and using my own discernment. Okay. It's a little sidebar for you. Okay. Americans are so nervous about the state of the economy that they are stashing cash in the bank, at a rate not seen since the first year of Ronald Reagan's presidency. Oh my gosh, friends, I'm coming to you with urgent information. Why, oh why, would you store money in a bank? Why? How have they tricked you to think that it's more safe and more secure to hold any sort of savings at a bank? The rate of return is horrendous. Okay, it's no safer. Just put it in a safe in your house, hide it somewhere in your house. 10 grand is not that much. 10 grand, even 100 grand is not that much. I could easily hide 100 grand in my house. Okay, and not tell anybody. Just don't tell anybody. Then you're not going to get robbed. You don't tell anybody how much money's in your bank account anyway. But man, why in the bank and why in cash? It's another thing. Get out of cash. Gold, silver, crypto. But as I just stated earlier, just wait though, because I think a crash could come. If it doesn't, I'm wrong. I've just been making these shows every day for no reason. So again, go visit Mike Maloney. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal website, great news every day. We could probably read his news all day. Hoarding cash, stagflation, CLOs. I don't even know what that is. South Korea's exports suffer worst slump since the global financial crisis. U.S. manufacturing surveys show record collapse in output, orders, and jobs. Worst recession since Great Depression ahead. Demystifying debt dynamics. That's probably a good one if you're into nerdy money stuff like me. First mover Tezos led crypto market with twice Bitcoin's gains in April. Nice, Tezos. But still, that's April, still down for the last 90 days. What I'm saying is that's a good opportunity to buy some Tezos because it's still down compared to 90 days ago. American buyers are fueling Bitcoin's rally. Yeah, because a lot of people, this goes back to this point, Americans saving cash. They're not just saving cash though. They're saving gold and silver, but millennials are definitely buying Bitcoin and crypto for sure. Dow down 600 points. Oh, did you see that refresh from 5 to 6? Trump threatens new China tariffs. To throw in tariffs to all this. Oh my gosh. Stocks slumped early Friday, kicking off May on a down note as investors showed disappointment with earnings from big tech companies and President Donald Trump's threat to impose import tariffs on China in retaliation for its handling of COVID. How childish is that? How can I hurt you? Oh, I'm blaming you for this pandemic, so we're going to hit you with some tariffs. That is so childish. Oh, look at these people that people say that are bowing down as leaders. You know, these people are the scum of the earth. Oh my gosh. Anyways, how many people did we got? How many people did we end with today? Half an hour show. This is going to turn into a half an hour show. Oh, what up, B? 2 viewers. We got, I think, 8 today. I'm giving out $8. Type in your XRP address. Maybe I'll give you $8. Maybe I won't. But whoever I do, you better leave me a comment next time. Like, share, subscribe. I'm coming out with my own merch. We're going to have coffee cups. We're going to have crypto coffee. Oh, but actually, I do want to leave you on one note. I got a confession to make. I'm not drinking coffee. This is water. I'm actually on day 2 of no caffeine. I think I linked him in, Alex Becker. This guy he changes my life with his YouTube. Very inspiring, motivational guy, a lot like me. If you came to my house, I'm very minimalistic. I got 1 plate, 1 fork, 1 knife. I mean, I'm like Dexter. Okay. But anyways, oh yeah, so he's talking about the negative effects of caffeine and coffee, and man, I can relate to the symptoms that he was challenged with, and so I'm on day 2. Haven't had any withdrawals. In fact, I've been waking up better. My sleep was a little bit better yesterday, but anyways, I love coffee, and I'm not telling anybody to get off coffee. I'm just into weird stuff where I can just push myself to the limit so I can be better, more focused, more disciplined, more committed, things like that. And so I'm going to try going off coffee for a little while. But you're going to be able to get your own coffee, my own brand of coffee. How cool would that be? You can only buy it with Bitcoin. So go get yourself a Coinbase account. Here you go, right here, Coinbase. Boom. Gosh, see how everything always unfolds so perfectly. Go get a Coinbase account. That's an exchange. You can link that right up to your bank account, and you can actually buy your first Bitcoin, buy some crypto, buy some today. Set up that account, buy $10. I'll send you some Bitcoin. Again, link up your XRP wallet address. I'm going to send someone some XRP. And then Celsius, phenomenal app to earn interest. I've got coins that are paying out upwards of 7.25%. Oh, I should talk to Joe about coffee, Mark. Oh, that's a great idea. Hell yeah. Nice. That's genius. All right. I already got an in. See how fast it comes? It just comes so fast when you ask for it. Anyways, get Celsius, get Coinbase, check it all out. Go to my website, do everything that I tell you to do. Just joking. Don't. I'm just a crazy guy on the internet. See you later, alligators.